Welcome to e-Gurukulam Classified. Recently, the Union Cabinet approved the National Research Foundation (NRF) Bill 2023 this year to strengthen the research ecosystem in the country. With this, the scientific community in India is abuzz with curiosity and excitement. This topic is helpful in GS2 Polity and GS3 Science and Technology. After the bill passed, it is to establish an apex body to spearhead research and development, foster a culture of innovation, nurture a research ecosystem across all universities and colleges in the country. The bill also seeks to repeal the Science and Engineering Research Board (SERB) Act 2008, under which the SERB was established as a statutory body of the Department of Science and Technology to carry out almost the same or similar functions which the NRF proposes to do. The finer points. The idea of establishing the NRF was mooted by the Kasturirangan Committee in 2019 and adopted in the National Education Policy, NEP 2020. Both documents mentioned that the institutions currently funding research, such as O Department of Science and Technology, or the Department of Atomic Energy, or the Department of Biotechnology, or the Indian Council of Agricultural Research, or the Indian Council of Medical Research, or the Indian Council of Historical Research, or the University Grants Commission, or other private and philanthropic organizations. Leading research-producing nations had multiple public and private funding agencies. India could also benefit from the practice. The idea of having multiple research funding agencies gets further reinforced by the statement that the NRF would coordinate with other funding agencies and work with science, engineering, and other academies to ensure synergy of purpose and avoid duplication of efforts. SERB. The SERB was established as a statutory body of the DST to plan, promote and fund internationally competitive research in emerging areas of science and engineering. The SERB has been instrumental in building a sustainable research ecosystem through a diverse program portfolio that includes grant funding, fostering young researchers, recognizing and rewarding research excellence, promoting scientific networks and partnerships, and enhanced gender and social inclusiveness. SERB programs, schemes and activities have been important in financing basic research in science and engineering, and most of them will continue under the NRF with some tweaking and tinkering. Following the repeal of its act, the SERB will be subsumed into the NRF. Greater relevance now. The criticality of research and knowledge creation and the importance of enhancing funding for research has been amply highlighted by the new education policy. It insists that the economic prosperity of many developed countries, now and in the ancient past, can be attributed to their intellectual capital and to their fundamental contributions to new knowledge in science, arts and culture. It cites India, Mesopotamia, Egypt and Greece as examples. Robust research ecosystem acquires greater importance now due to growing challenges in the world and opportunities due to technological advancements. The policy asserts that India has had a long tradition of research and knowledge creation in science, mathematics, art, literature, phonetics, language, medicine and agriculture, which needs to be strengthened to make India a leader. These are laudable ideas and intentions, but need to be backed by ample financial support, at least to the extent the Kasturirangan Committee had insisted upon. Hope this content helpful for your preparation and please provide us your valuable feedback. Keep watching e-Gurukulam Classified.